medicine.
What I'm about to present to you is the proper procedure for performing an artificial fart under the arm.
Yes.
Step 1, make sure your hand is cupped. Step 2, if you're wearing a shirt, reach under the shirt.
Too late for that.
Maybe I should take my shirt off to show the actual hand positioning.
That's okay. We
I'll
get the
show you
idea.
above the shirt. Hand cupped, arm parallel with the ground, and then proceed with a sort of a down, sort of like a
Like a golf swing
golf
swooping
swing
motion.
method. Put them all together and you have this. Now we'll do the leg. With the leg, same procedure. Put it on the back, make sure the hand is cupped so there's enough air to get in there. Now if you want to get advanced, you can do an arm and leg combo. Or the double leg.
You ever never in Baltimore?
And
I
that's
gotta get a
it.
copy of this. Make a
Do
great
other-
screensaver on the computer. Like, could you just imagine working Windows and every time you like go to
Chest
launch it?
fart.
If you go to launch a program, like in the background, it's just you, like just like going like this in a loop tape and pixelated. Yeah, that'd be excellent. That'd be cool.
You could also get into, if you become an advanced armpit farter, you can get into reverse.
How about eye socket?
I is sometimes I can do it, sometimes I can't. I have been known to do them right here.
Excellent, excellent.
Lovely. And of course the hands.